Welcome to Smoking Bears. How you doing? We're outside the bear cave and we're shooting a cast iron Wednesday. I've got a chicken already on. Check the video. What I'm going to do though is I got a bunch of taters. We got this misfit box coming in with all these vegetables and stuff, and we got all these taters. And I'm like, what am I going to do with these taters? So, got my trusty Lodge 12-inch skillet, garlic Parmesan, butter, bacon grease, and then we're going to throw it on the smoker. Cheers. Okay, so first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some bacon grease. I'm going to pour it, I'm going to dump it in here. Now this is a cold skillet, but that's okay. I'm just going to brush it in the bottom. You get some of this good fat going on all up on the side. We're just brushing it on. Get it up on the sides. Don't need a whole lot, just enough to add that beautiful flavor. Coat it all really good. Now that that's done, we're going to put that aside for now. Now what I want to do is I want to start taking my bigger slices of, and I'm going to lay one down like that and then start going up the slices all the way around. Now these are just sliced. There's no rhyme or reason to any of it. It's just, if I had uniform ones I'd be going for something a little bit better, but these are just kind of whatever comes in the box. So we are using whatever's in the box. So let me get this in and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so now I got this skillet pretty well packed. And I got some leftovers, but I'm just going to sprinkle those on top here in a few. I'm going to take some of this granulated garlic right here, and I'm just going to go over top of it. Not super liberal, but you know, I want to get some garlic down up in there. I want the garlic to really shine in these. I'm going to take some butter. I'm going to tab it up. We're going to take some regular minced garlic. Get out your trusty measuring tablespoon. Then let's just throw some up on here. Just like, I mean, I want this thing to be garlic laden. That's a lot. I've used a lot of garlic. Now we're going to come back over top Parmesan cheese. And I'm doing the grated. I got shredded for later. You know, when these things are about done and we just need to melt on top. Just going to add like a little Parmesan crust. Okay. Looks good. Let's get it over to the cooker. We got the cooker already heated up to about 300 degrees. Alright guys, so it's been on for a little while, a couple hours. We were able to move it down to the bottom rack because my chicken got done. See the bubbling going on? Let's get the fork here and do a little test. What I'm looking for is I want a little bit of texture, but I also want them soft. I don't want them completely done yet. We're getting some good color on that Parmesan, that garlic that was already on there. So that's all looking good. Now, Parmesan cheese. Sprinkled all over the top. Oh my goodness. Guys, we walked out here and you could smell the Parmesan, like the smooth Parmesan. It's freaking awesome. All right, well, the wife's getting hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and pull it off. I would like it to be a little bit darker, but like I said, the wife's getting hungry.
Happy wife, happy life.
Happy wife, happy life. We're gonna pull that off. Look at that.
Good. That's coming.
All right, guys. So this is 2 hours in smoke, and then added the cheese on top in a little over an hour. Wife's getting hungry, and she's ready to eat. So let's go ahead and do the taste test. So just take an ice cream scoop. Let's just get down in here. And it's not going to look pretty coming out. But if you guys know anything about cooking, you know there's only two things that matter: is if it tastes good and if it brings you joy. So here's my taste. Let's get a little bit there. Oh. Oh, that was hot. Whew. My eyes are watering. I should have let it cool down. I mean, this is straight off the cooker. A little purple tater. I did get that garlic all the way through, and I got some that Parmesan. Boy, that's nice. Oh, that was hot. All right. All right. That's smoking berries. That's all I got. Have a great week, everybody. Check out all the other Cast Iron Wednesdays.